MacBooks are very good looking laptops, and they're gonna get dirty no matter what color you get or what you do to them. They're gonna get dirty. So today, I'm gonna be showing you the best and most efficient way to clean your MacBook. Before you even begin cleaning, first you have to 1. Unplug your MacBook, and 2. Turn it off so it doesn't keep turning on when you're trying to clean it. So those 2 things do before you start cleaning. The supplies you're gonna need is a lint-free cloth, some water, some soap, and a Clorox wipe. So go get those supplies before you're gonna clean your MacBook, and let's get started. To clean the screen, you're gonna wanna get a lint-free cloth and put some water on it, just a little bit, not too much. And then you're gonna wanna go to the screen and start wiping it. But don't push too hard or else you might damage the screen. So you wanna wipe softly but thoroughly so you can get all the grease, all the fingerprints, all the dust off the screen and make it look very shiny and you can see everything on the screen. Now for the keyboard of the MacBook, you're going to want to get the Clorox wipe. You're going to want to wipe all the keys. Try not to push too many or else you might actually turn the MacBook on. Try to push on it, again, softly but thoroughly. Don't push too hard so you don't turn on the MacBook, but go ahead and wipe it with a little bit of force so you can get all the dust, all the fingerprints, especially the fingerprints, all out. And then if you want to get the dust, go ahead and go between the keys so you can get all the dust, all the dirt, everything in between the keys that you would normally get. And finally, for the outside of the MacBook, you are going to want to get the lint-free cloth again, put some soap on it this time, not too much soap, just a little bit, put that on there, and then put water so it mixes together, and then go ahead and close the MacBook and start cleaning the outside. So you can clean everything, the Apple logo, all the back, and then when you're gonna wipe the sides, be careful so you don't get inside the ports or else you might have some problems. So try and go around them, but then you can clean the sides also, make it all shiny and looking brand new. So after doing those 3 things, your MacBook should look either brand new or very, very clean. Thank you for watching today's Tech Gadgets for You video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos that are helpful like this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!